Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how to respond to reviews on TripAdvisor. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead to the official tripadvisor.com website right here and log into your account. If you do not have an account guys, you can go ahead and create an account, and after logging in you will be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all of the options that you have to enter on the site. So guys, let's say that you're the owner or the manager of an object or a restaurant on the site and you want to be able to respond to reviews that people leave on your object. So guys, it's very easy to do, but you do need to do a couple of steps to register as the owner or the manager. So guys, what we're going to do is on the front page, we're going to scroll down all the way down till the very end of the page until we find this trending in travel option right here. And here here we're going to, in the footer of the page, find this option right here called Do Business With Us. So guys, under Do Business With Us, we want to enter the owners option right here. Click on owners guys. And now this will take you to this new page right here where you can go ahead and claim your free TripAdvisor listing. So what you're going to do is go ahead and claim the object or restaurant that you own. So I'm going to go ahead, just select anything right here. I'm going to enter any random place right here. And after selecting guys the object that you want to claim, you will see that you now have the option to claim the free listing. So we're going to go ahead and click on the claim your free listing option, and here we're going to go ahead and select our role at business. After selecting, let's say we're the owner, you can go ahead and continue, and then you'll have to put in info about your object so that you can confirm you are the real owner. You'll have to submit pictures and so on until they confirm you're the real owner. So guys, after that you'll become the owner of your restaurant or similar, and then you'll be able to respond to all of the reviews that people leave to your place right here, and you'll be able to answer to everybody. So yeah guys, basically that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.